Increase of child defilement in Kiambu County has been linked to poverty and the consumption of illicit brews. This was the underlying message during the Day of the African Child celebrations in Juja, Kiambu County. According to the various guests, among them Kiambu Governor's wife Susan Ndung'u, the fight against alcoholism in the county was one way of reducing other vices, which include child abuse. She urged the Kiambu public to support the fight against drug abuse as well as report cases of child abuse to the relevant authorities. There was also a general warning to the public against settling defilement cases outside court.
Kama ni wazee nyumbani, hawashuguliki na kina mama na wake zao na watoto. So watatoka wanaenda ulevi, wanamuachia huyo mama watoto wake awe ni yeye anatoka kuenda kuwashughulikia. Na kukifika ni hivyo mama atatoka na inabidi anaacha hao watoto nyumbani wakiwa peke yao. Na hapo ndipo unakuta kama ni huyo mwanaume akikuja hao watoto wanakuwa exposed.
For the cases to have increased in my thinking is about poverty and also about the illicit brews that have been around in our county, and that is why the governor has really been onto this, fighting the illicit brews, so that our people, men, can be able to wake up in the morning and go and work